This report practically writes the song itself. Where'd the jobs go? Hey. Well, the numbers hit at 8:30. Everybody gather round. They said unemployment's looking better, while the payrolls hit the ground. Wall Street wanted 80,000. BLS said best we got is -23. Private jobs got 30,000, and somehow that's prosperity. Unemployment dropped to 4.1, so everything must be okay. Just don't mention all those people who left the labor force today. Employment fell, participation too, but the headline's looking fine. If you don't like what the numbers say, just change the denominator line. Where the jobs go, nobody knows. They had some, but there they go. June lost more when they checked it again. 103,000 vanished with the stroke of a pen. Where the jobs go, look over there. The unemployment rate says we shouldn't care. We're low, higher, low, fire, moving mighty slow. Somebody call the BLS and ask them where the jobs go. May was 129,000, then 63 was all that stayed. June walked in with 57, came back 20 after revisions were made. That's 103,000 missing, like socks inside the dryer door. Apparently these jobs were working till somebody checked the math once more. Then government dropped 53,000, now that one raised an eyebrow high. 50,000 education jobs just packed their desks and said goodbye. Maybe some got them, maybe seasons, maybe spreadsheets had their fun. But when government loses 53,000, you know I'm asking everyone, wait, the government lost jobs? Now that's how I know something weird is going on. Where the jobs go, nobody knows. They had some, but there they go. June lost more when they checked it again. 103,000 vanished with the stroke of a pen. Where the jobs go, look over there. The unemployment rate says we shouldn't care. We're low, higher, low, fire, moving mighty slow. Somebody call the BLS and ask them where the jobs go. 7.4 million openings, 5.3 million hires. Nobody quits, nobody gets fired. Everybody just looks tired. Boss says we're not hiring. Workers say I ain't leaving. The Fed hears wage growth cooling down, and Kevin starts believing. Did somebody say rate cuts? Wages climbed a mighty 10th, not exactly champagne time. 3.2% yearly growth, while everything still costs a dime. Well, more than a dime, way more than a dime. Have you bought groceries lately? But hey, inflation pressure's cooling, so the Fed may save the day, because nothing screams healthy economy like everybody begging Wash to cut rates right away. Where'd the jobs go? Nobody knows. The first report, give it the revision, takes those 20,000 average for 3 months straight. That hiring engine's knocking and it ain't sounding great. Where'd the jobs go? Don't ask me. Apparently 4.1 means prosperity. Low, higher, low, fire, running out of road. We ain't in recession, we're just circling the zip code. So raise your glass to the jobs report, where every number gets 2 tries. Today we create the jobs. Next month